Greetings, YouTube! I hope my family's well. I hope you're all well. We're here today. I got my first mail call going on. Came in the mail today. I about blew my mind when I saw it. I was like, what? What is this? I got a package. A good sized package. Seems it's from Chris Justice up there in Parsonsburg, Maryland. Let's open it up and see what's in it. What do you say? Yeah? Let's see. Oh, Chris is like my sister. He likes to use plenty of tape. And there's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong at all with that. I about cut my leg off, didn't I? Mm-hmm. Well, we got plenty of super glue in there we can put it back on with. Uh-oh. I've been wondering what's in this bad boy. My knife's so dull it wouldn't cut butter. Here we go. Chris, my brother, what are you thinking, man? This is not what we talked about. This is way more than we talked about, I believe. Check out the packing, man. I've never seen anything like that. Have you?
No.
Oh my goodness. We have some tree catchers in here. That means there's a drone in here. That's exactly what that means. Bugs. I got a Bugs. Oh my goodness gracious. Looks like here's a Bugs controller. Let that blow away for me. Here's your Bugs controller. Chris needed a Q500 or the CG03 camera, and I offered it to him. I didn't ask him for anything in return. He needed that. I didn't have anything that could work with 4K. And so I told him, you know, if you want it, you can have it. And he looked at me like I had 9 heads. But I sent it off to him, and he decided he wanted to send me over a Bugs 2. I didn't know he was going to send all this extra stuff. But it looks like he's giving me 2 sets of props here. Normal props. I'll put one out so you can see. There's normal Bugs prop. Self-tightening. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. There's two sets of them in there, it looks like. Yeah, there's 8 of them. Let's set that down right here too. Oh! Oh! A heat wave frost cutlery knife. And some MD95 TSI business cards. Brother, you didn't have to do that. You're too good to me. I love you. What is this? That's the legs. It looks like those are the long legs, I believe, that he sent us. What do you think about that, Harley? That's cool, ain't it?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, my goodness. What have we got? What have we got here? Oh, my goodness. It is the Bugs 2C, man. Oh, it's brushless, too. Yeah. Chris likes tape. That's okay. We can take the tape off just like he puts it on. Oh, look at that beautiful bird. That's better than turkey on Thanksgiving. Oh. Oh my goodness. Now she's going to have to sleep with me tonight now. You know what I mean? Look at there. It's got the Force 1 canopy on it, but I promise you that is a Bugs 2C, I believe. I do believe. Oh my goodness. I've always wanted to see the inside of one of these. I've seen people pop them off, and they pop right off. You just, boop, they come right off. Look at the inside of that bad boy. Huge ESCs. Wow. That is amazing. Got that big nose camera, or nose light. Nice little brushless motors. They all seem to be in very good working order. Nice and smooth. How about that? I love it. Thank you, brother. I love you. I cannot wait to get her in the air. Probably go someplace tonight where Wanda can fly her new bird. Fly with me. Would you hold that for me, please? Thank you. Oh, 2 batteries? What's up with that? XT30 connectors and a balance connector. And it looks like the 3.7 1800 mAh. Is that what that is? 25C, 1800 mAh, 7.4, 2S. How about that? Chris, I love you, man. That's what else did you put in here? Oh, I know who made this. This was made with a 3D printer. How about that? Little robot. Look. Look, his arms and his elbows and his arms and legs move. How do you do that? Do you wave your magic wand and just make it happen? Look, his head moves around too. I know, I'm a big child. What? Oh no! Yes! 5045 tri-blade bullnose. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Thank you sir. I wanted to experiment with them. Drone Worship told me that it would kill a little bit of your flight time, but that's okay. It seems like they're a little bit smoother and you get a little bit better smoothness out of it. There's the charger. I'm sure y'all can see in that bag. I hope you can. I've got another goodie bag here. Boy, he just packed this thing full, didn't he? He's giving me some Drone Man production wristbands. Thank you, brother. I love you. What do we have here? Some more 3D parts. Look at that, Harley. They are the Drone Network coins. I bet you me and you're the only one that have them. I bet you nobody else has them. Very rare. What is that? I thought I already had a charger. What's going on? What in the world is going on? What? There's something else in here. Hang on. Chris, you didn't have to do that. Look here. What is this? Look at that little baby right there. Little big tiny, I guess you'd call it tiny woo. How about that? That's really nice of you, brother. Thank you. Now when it's rainy, on a rainy day, I can go out and go inside and I don't have to sweat it. I can fly inside. Thank you, brother. That's cool. Did you build that? I bet you did, didn't you? I bet you did. There's some screws. That's probably for the legs. What else we got in here? Charger. How about that? Oh. Oh, look at that little controller right there. It's not an altitude. It's not an altitude hold. He knows I do not like altitude hold birds. Altitude hold birds, in my opinion, cause pilots to develop bad habits. Let's say it's not as pure as just a stick and rudder bird, in my opinion. Where did you get this dadgum accordion packing? I've never seen anything like that before. You know, Chris, I really appreciate it, brother. You're just too much. You're too good to me. Way too good to me. I really appreciate it. I hadn't had a racer before, or a hybrid. I guess you'd call it a racer or a hybrid.